Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any small components during the process. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 530 Kelatos B completely. Disconnect any pearls and remove the power adapter. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. There are typically 8 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be cautious as you work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the bottom cover off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Carefully lift the connector using your spudger, ensuring you do not pull on the wires. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. Keep these screws safe as you will need them for the new battery. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of traveling or making calls, as we provide a quote before any repair is initiated. Next, take your new compatible battery and align it with the screw holes in the laptop. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is firmly in place, reconnect it to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Power on the device to ensure that the new battery is recognized and functioning properly. If everything looks good, power it off again and proceed to reattach the bottom cover. Align the cover with the laptop and press down gently to snap it back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug in the power adapter, and power it on. Check the battery status in the operating system to confirm that it is charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. By following these steps, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 530 Kelatos B. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and improve its performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.